another YouTube video. Keep saying channel, but I don't know what I'm talking about this morning. Today we are gonna be running the Insta 360 on my helmet. I got my GoPro bag. I'm gonna do GoPro too, but I'm gonna be trying the Insta 360 on the helmet. Just gotta see how to mock it up here. I don't know if I should do it off the top here, or on the side. Comment down below what is the best thing to do. Might try the top, just the top. But I might just go, I don't think there's a place under here for a holder. We're gonna try it off the top here, maybe, see how it goes. Or I'm really off this. I don't know. Let's try it off the top first and see how the footage looks. So, we got the bike outside. It was outside overnight. Went over for a little cruise this morning. Fired right up. Oh, see that? Still thinking of a wrap to put on it, but I don't know yet. What color? I like Seaboys, so I might put a Seaboys wrap on it. I like their wraps. But let's get this helmet off the shelf. See what we're working with here. Let's go to this table. Ran the four-wheeler for the first time since winter. Kind of fun. So, I think we're just gonna do the top. So let's get my bag here and see what attachments I have. Alright. So, this, I don't know why that's there. Right there. So, I have, where's my attachments? I need this. Click this on if you guys know GoPros or don't know. Put that up, slide that in. Sure it clicks, and then push that in. It looks like I don't have it in there. This is a cap mount. Put it on that, but this looks like a no-brainer. So I need something for the bottom. Screw on. Let's look. If my dad's bag has anything for the screw on. Let's see. Let's see. Here's that. Don't see it. I have this, but it's on the ball. Where did I see that attachment? I seriously don't know. What? I don't know where it went. So if you guys haven't seen my other channel called Brap71 Shorts, been doing shorts and some videos, but that's gonna be mostly shorts and some podcasts. But anyway, my dad, that's in the description down below, and my dad's channel. He works on hot rods at Bel Air and lifted trucks, so that's in the description down below too. But I think I have a mount. Well, that kind of sucks. I guess I'm gonna run the mount that I showed you. Just put on my bike. Kind of sucks, but I gotta find it. I don't know where it is or order a part. But I remember putting it on something. But let's go get the mount, and I'll see you guys outside when we Actually, I could put this up. Alright, see you guys when I get the attachment. Alright, so this is the attachment that I was looking for. It has that screw thing. So you just screw it onto the bottom here and then tighten that up. But this is a nice metal attachment. You could hook it on. It's like a claw thing like that right here. But yeah, it has a ton of stars and stuff, so we got that. So let's go put this, or find where we could put this and have a good clip video how it turns out. So let's go out there. Okay, so I'm thinking of putting this on the handlebar right off the front. See how that view is. Put it on. Alright, so let's see how the videos on this, I guess. Alright, so we're gonna go down the track, not put this on my bike, but we're gonna put it in the middle of the track, and we're gonna see how this camera does of filming me. So let's try it, and I haven't done it yet, so let's try. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you guys liked it, and you want more Insta 360 videos, comment down below, or other videos, and comment down below if I should put a wrap on it. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks.